Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from Stack, which is called sliding window maximum. Okay, so you would be given one array something like this, and one window. Let's say the size is k, and k is equal to 3, for example. So for three window, in every three window, you need to give the array. For each window, what will be the maximum? So for example, for this 0 to 2, okay, 3, the size is 3 for this window. So what is maximum? 3. Now if I check this window, 1 2 3, what is the maximum? Again 3. Now for this 2 to 4, what is maximum? 5, right? And then from this 3 to 5, what is maximum? Again 5. Now this 4 5 6, what is the maximum? 6, right? And then from this 5 6 7, what is the maximum? 7. So you need to return this answer. Okay, and one more thing. So if you check, the size of array is n, so here it will be n minus 2 or n minus k minus 1, right? Means n minus k plus 1. So this one will be the size of the let's say if we call it result, so size of the result will be n minus k minus 1, because if you see here, from first window you are taking only one element, and you're not selecting two elements, right? So the size will always be k minus 1, okay, from n minus bracket k minus 1. So that's why we are taking the result array, and its size will be n minus k plus 1. Okay, now here we will take instead of stack, we will take dq. Why dq? Because here we need a double-ended queue. We need to add from one end and remove from another end. Okay, so that's why. Okay, let's dry run this problem. Okay, so for k equal to 3, let me remove this one also. Okay, so now for k equal to 3, let's say this is my dq. Okay, now my here I need to check few things. Okay, the first thing is when I'm checking for the elements, okay, I need to maintain the window size also, and when the element is going out of the window, I need to remove few elements. Okay, and then second thing is I'm maintaining here monotonic decreasing sequence. It means that in a DQ, I will have elements like the larger element, then smaller, and then smaller than that. So like decreasing. So if I encounter any array I is greater element, so I will remove all its below elements which is lesser than that. Okay. The third thing is when my window size reached, so for example 3, so now it's time to put value in a result array, right? Like 3 is done, so I will check what is the maximum. So that third thing I need to check. So first thing we are checking from here, remove out of window element. Second thing we are checking here, maintain decreasing order. And third thing we are checking here is store result when window size is reached. Okay, now let's start. So first 1 will come. Okay, 0th index 1 will come. So dq is empty. So what I will do, I'll put this value in a dq index in dq, and this is my element. So this element is only for our reference. Okay, in dq we will add only the indexes. Now the second element will come. Okay, now 3, so 3 is greater than 1, right? 3 is greater than 1, so we will remove this element from dq, and we will put this 3 with its index 1. Okay, so this one will be something like this. Now another element will come. Okay, -1 will come, but with that we need to check these things also. dq is not empty. Okay, dq pick first is 1. Okay, 1 is equal to what is my I is 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. No, currently we don't need to remove anything. Okay, then we did this thing with while condition, and then we have added element in dq also, and then currently our window size is not reached, so we are not bothered with that. Now -1 will come. So -1, I can put -1 because -1 is lesser than 3, right? So its index will be 2. Then -3 will come. So -3 will come, but here if you check before -3, here if you check this condition, so I is 2. Okay, 2 is greater than equal to k minus 1. K is 3, 3 minus 1, 2 is greater than equal to 2. Yeah, it's time to add result, right? Add into the result. So whatever I have in dq, pick first. So here first is this one. Okay, this one is first, and this one is last. So I'll pick whatever I have in first, okay, and put it into the result array. So if my result array is something like this, I'll put this 3 into the result. Okay, now I'll not remove it, just I will do pick. Okay, now 5 will come. So 5 will come, and I will check my window size first. Okay, so see my pick first, dq dot pick first is 1, and is equal to I is currently 4. Okay, so 4 minus 3, so 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so condition true. Right now, oh sorry, right now -3 will come, right? So -3 will come, so yeah, okay, we will add -3, and here 3 minus 3 is 0, so yeah, that's okay. Currently we are not reached it yet, so we will add -3 in a dq. Okay, and third will be its index. Now, okay, so now if you check, next element is 5. Okay, so 5 will come, but 5 is greater than everything. Before that you need to check, okay, this condition is true. Now pick first is 3. 3 is equal to sorry, 1 is equal to, this is my pick first, right? So 1 is equal to I minus 3. I is 4, so 4 minus 3, 1 is equal to 1. So what I need to do, I need to delete element from first, so this one will go. Okay, we will delete it. So this one will delete, and our queue will look something like this. And now I will add this 5 into the queue. But before adding 5, I will see that these elements are smaller, right? This one. So I'll remove these, both the elements. So my queue will look something like this now. Okay, this is my queue. This is my queue, and it will have index 4 and element is 5. Okay, now next element will come 3. So 3 is lesser than 5, so this is fine. I will add 3 and its index is 5. Okay, and here we have added 3 actually, and here we have not checked it, right? For 5 we have not checked. So 5, what will be the maximum? See, now after this, so you have to check for each window, right? For each element. So 5 will be my maximum, so this here 5 will come. Okay, and then after that I have added this 3, this one, right? So here what is maximum right now? It is again 5, so I'll add 5 also, this one, right? Now if you check the window size, okay, what is my pick first is 4. 4 is equal to I is 5, so 5 minus 3, 4 is equal to 2. No, condition right now it's false, so this is fine. Now next element will come, so next element is 3. 3 we have already added, then 6 will come. So 6 is greater than this 3 and 5 also, so we will remove both. Okay, and in our queue now 6 will come, 6 comma 6. Okay, and then this is 6, and then you will check one by one what is the maximum, right? So right now maximum is 6, so you will add 6 in result. Now with this, okay, this one. Okay, now 7 will come, so 7 is greater than 6 again. Okay, so you will remove 6, and then 7, you will add 7 in the queue, and here 7 will come, and then the array will complete it. So this one will be your resultant. Okay, so this is what we are doing, we are returning result at the end. So that's it. Thank you.